Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm going to show you on a Samsung refrigerator freezer. This is the one with the stacked drawers on it. How to defrost the freezer automatically. Once you get the ice tray out, if you're building up a lot of ice in the bottom of yours, the problem with this refrigerator is since the ice box is inside the refrigerator, every time you open and close the door you build up heat and condensation and you end up freezing the thing up like that. So depending on what model Samsung you have, the buttons are sometimes in different places, but they should both do the same thing. You want to press freezer and lighting at the same time and hold it for about 10 seconds. After it goes into this mode, this is a function menu. So if you're pushing fridge up or fridge down, these commands change. The FD is freezer defrost. The RD is refrigerator defrost. So we want to go down to FD and we want to let that sit there, and it's going to beep at us, and it's going to continue to beep for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes of the annoying beeping, finally goes away. When you open up your freezer, so after the 20 minutes of annoying beeping, most of your ice is gone, and what's not gone, make sure you pull it off there before it refreezes on there. And again, this works on almost every Samsung model that has a light and a freezer button on it.